Hello everybody, this is Danny Rolos. In this video I will show you how nice is working the uHost firmware on a Ricoh Magic mini PC stick MK802 version 2 Android stick. Okay, I'll use this mouse connected via USB cable in this USB hub. Okay, let's do it. First of all, let's check the firmware version on this stick. Okay, this is Romanian language, but I'm sure you all understand. Okay, let's take a look. Droid server. Okay, so model number, Android version 404, firmware version. Okay, this is 24 October. This is the version number. Okay, so this is uHost firmware. Okay, let's go further. First of all, let's check Gmail application. Okay, it's all working. Let's open an email. It's all okay. Let's see the pictures. Oh, seems okay. Okay, so Gmail, it's okay for everybody. Okie dokie. Let's try another application. Let's see how YouTube is working. This is the new version of YouTube, updated. This is my channel. This is my feed. Okay, let's take a look. Lenovo IDEA Tab. It's okay, it runs smoothly. No? Full screen, it's okay. Okay, it's all okay. Okay, what about web surfing? Let's try it. Okay, so everything runs just okay. This is Romanian Google. Okay, let's try another website. This is a Romanian online movie database. Okay, let's try it. Vplay. Okay. Connection. Okay. Everything runs just okay. Flash player, it's okay. Okay. Everything works just okay. Okay. Yahoo Mail. The new Yahoo Mail. Okay. Music play. Okay, this is your host firmware on Ricoh-Magic MK802 stick. Okay, I think this is it for now. Okay, bye bye.